What is up, guys? YouTube Jared. Uh, it's dark here, so I got a beard here. So basically, I'm super fat, and this is probably one of the last food items I'm gonna be reviewing. Maybe for a long time, if I can keep up this diet thing, which I ain't really gonna try and do. But I don't want these to go to waste, so I'm just gonna review them and probably eat all of them. So I'm really gonna start after this. Okay, there you go. So basically, these are twice as big as the original ones. So let's see. Oh yeah, they're off here. Wow. It tastes the same, but they're just big. I'm probably gonna use that one as a thumbnail. There you go.